Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. On your screen is performance of the lion dance that we had chance to enjoy on TED in the Vietnamese or Lunar traditional New Year of 2020. I would like to share with you a little about TED in Vietnam. It is believed that the lion image brings luck, happiness and prosperity to everyone. The lion dance teams in Vietnam are retrained at the end of the year to perform at the start of the Lunar New Year. The famous teams work hard and they are trained strictly to perform very professionally in every movement of the lion. The lion performers are dancing to bring the happiness and good luck to the newly opened gym center near my parents' house. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.